To create auto replies on a Facebook page, start by logging in to your Facebook account and navigating to the page you want to set up auto replies for. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the page and select settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, click on messaging on the left side of the page. This will take you to the messaging settings for your page. Scroll down to the response assistant section and click on the add new response button. Here you can set up a new auto reply message by specifying the message that will be sent to users when they message your page. You can customize the message to fit your needs and include a call to action if necessary. You can also set up auto replies for specific scenarios, such as when a user messages your page outside of your business hours. To do this, click on the Add New Response button and select the Outside of Business Hours option. In the message field, type in the auto reply message you want to send to users when your page is not available. You can also specify the business hours for your page in the settings menu. Once you have set up your auto reply messages, click on the Save Changes button to save your settings. Your auto reply messages will now be sent to users who message your page according to the settings you specified. Best practices for creating auto replies on a Facebook page include keeping your messages concise and informative, including a call to action, and specifying your business hours. This will help to improve the user experience and ensure that users receive timely and relevant responses to their messages. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective auto replies on your Facebook page and improve your customer service. Remember to regularly review and update your auto reply messages to ensure they remain relevant and effective.